Adam here from Satnav Systems, and today we've got an Audi e-tron, the latest electric Audi model, and we installed a Towbar into this car, original Audi detachable Towbar, and this video is to show you how the operation looks and works on this vehicle. So at the moment the tow head is not attached, it's been removed. So you can see you can't really tell the car has a Towbar at all, so it's nice and hidden. I show you at the bottom here as well the way it looks. So that's where the tow connector to the bar is. It also has got the electrics which just slide down, so you need to just pull them, and this is it. Here you go, latest connectors, and then when you're not using it, you can just slide it back in. But I leave it open because I'll show you how to attach the Towbar now. So the kit comes with a little bracket to hold it. So you could store it in the front, because in the e-tron you've got a little bit of space in the engine bay, or you could store it in the boot here. There's plenty of space for it. So it's stored in this polyester molding, very nice and easy to remove, so we just need to grab it. So I've got some extra hands here to help because I'm holding the camera. So we're just gonna take it out now and show you how to. So let's just have a look. This is the tow head. You've got the two keys, a lever. Yeah, there's nothing really sophisticated about it. Very similar to the one we installed on the Volkswagen T-Cross. Very similar kit. So we show you how to mount this now. So you go below and you have to remove the little cover where the tow ball goes in. It covers it from any dirt coming in, because it's got the grease in there. You can see this one, this head has a grease for the locking mechanisms to operate properly. So if you don't put that in and you drive, you'll get a lot of dirt coming in, and that will make it a bit more difficult to operate when you're locking the tow in there. But so yeah, so just when you're locking in, you just put it in there, and that's it. That's pretty much all you need to do. Remove the keys, and that's it. It's locked in the position, and you're ready to go. To unlock it, you just put the key in, turn it, press this little pin here, then this lever pushes down and releases the Towbar for you to store it away. Yeah, all installed to the factory specification, 3 years warranty. If you want to check your car compatibility or got any questions, please get in touch. info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.